Biker's alter ego. We get into the background of the biker's life.
South side, west side, united. That's how we get down in it.
From the south side to the west side, riding through Chicago. The city streets are guide with stories from the road. And we got love for our community, whether you're a banger or a biker. Yeah. There's room for everybody. It's where the south side is. All right, let's go. So hop on and ride with us. Oh. The biggest ride with stories for the community. The biggest ride where we bring together everybody. The biggest ride with stories for the community.